and the Sirens take the championship. Another legendary night for Louis.
Once he is mine, every girl in the city gonna choke on their jealousy.
Faye?
Louise, congratulations to your another big win. Any words for someone special?
Yeah. I just wish the person who stood by my side the first time I won stood by my side now. Your kiss beats any trophy.
I'm not missing a single one of your wins, ever.
To our MVP, Mr. Lois Carter.
My ex. The one I never really got over. Hey, who's that?
All right, that's Faye. New team doc, total pro with busted joints.
Well, look what the universe dragged in.
Hold up. You two already know each other?
Oh yeah. We go way back. She's the reason that my therapist knows my name.
Huh?
Faye! You came. I've been trying to reach you since the accident. What happened?
You couldn't reach me because I don't want to be reached. I'm breaking up with you.
What? Why? What did I do wrong?
Isn't it obvious? Your leg's busted. You're done playing. Why would I waste my time in the trash?
Faye! 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 Ah! Faye! Faye!
Man, talk about fate.
We were just classmates. Nothing dramatic. Sorry, I need some air.
Faye, just tell me the truth. Why did you vanish 7 years ago like I meant nothing to you? And don't give me that your trash crap. I'm not buying it. Look, I know you went into joint therapy after I got hurt. After I left. It's about my leg, wasn't it?
I studied joint therapy for a better job. That's it.
So landing at my club was just some happy accident? Faye. Just tell me the truth, please.
Faye!
Faye! Faye!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Louis. I broke up with him. You win. Now stay the hell away from him.
That's my sweet little sis.
You're not my brother. You're my stepdad's creepy-ass son. You mean nothing to me. You sick freak.
Call it what you want. But you know I don't love. Last time, it was his leg. Next time, could be something worse.
I studied joint therapy for a better job. That's it. End of the story.
Faye, my leg is fine. I just won the championship. I mean, if you could just tell me the truth, then maybe I could.
Look who bumped into my new roomie.
Have fun catching up. Be happy, Louis. Always.
How many times do I have to tell you? I'm not interested. Stop following me around.
No one fits you better than I do, Louis. You'll see. Oh, sorry.
Sorry ain't gonna cut it. Sweetheart, how about you make it up to me somewhere? Quieter?
No, wait! No, No way! Don't even know you! Let go!
Oh, come on. One drink might do the trick.
Not happening! Get off me! Somebody! Let go of me!
Faye, it's me. You're safe. Wait, do you even know who I am?
Who is? Louis, what the did we last night?
Oh, yeah. You had your wicked little way with me.
What? I was drunk. That wasn't.
No need to feel sorry. It was legit. We're legally married now.
What? We're getting married.
Yeah, we're married!
You got us married while I was unconscious? Get it annulled.
Even if we do, I'm still going to be your first legal husband on record. Hey, who was it at 17 that swore she'd marry me no matter what?
Louis, you did it. Your first championship. And I want to be a part of your life too. Will you marry me?
Yes, Faye, I love you! Think about everything we had. You really want to end this marriage?
You know I don't bluff. Last time it was his leg. Next time could be worse.
You really took that seriously. Loving you was the biggest mistake I ever made.
Faye, I take everything you say seriously.
Perfect timing. Come have drinks with me.
Boss, I'm that tired.
But I got you outfit. Come on, Faye. You really gonna leave me hanging? What if some weirdo tries to hit on me? Just one drink, please.
Okay.
Hi, guys. Oh, God. Oh, these shoes are straight up murder. Beauty hurts, babe. Suffer with style.
He's here too?
Dude, Faye looks stunning. Think I've got a shot.
Nah, she'd probably take him.
Well, only one way to find out. Faye, you look amazing tonight. Are you seeing anyone?
I'm single too.
Let's play a game. Never have I ever. Loser drinks.
I'll pass. Not really in the mood to drink. You guys go ahead.
What's wrong? Can't handle a little game?
Fine. Let's play.
All right then. Never have I ever hooked up with someone in this room.